So as a part of our continuing virtual field site visit to Union Park and Lotus Creek, again, it's still June 28th, 2021. We're actually looking at the accumulated outflow of the Lotus Creek system. There's a variety of branches. Again, a single exit point for this entire Union Park region. There's our sort of tour team that you can see there, large culvert. It's ideally suited for non-contact stream gauging, such as is being explored as a part of the USGS NGWAS effort. Also a great place to establish a long-term stream water sampling for water quality. So basically an aggregated concentration discharge monitoring location for the entirety of the park. So you get a really nice view of a very serious Precambrian gneiss and schist outcrop here. It's really tough stuff. Some existing beaver activity here. One of the real topics of conversation as a part of this tour is a group within the Forest Service run of the Gunnison National Forest that's looking to do beaver reintroductions throughout much of Gunnison County. And this is actually one of the areas, Union Park, that's been preferentially identified. What you're looking at there in the distance is, again, we've mentioned it before, that ridge line for the large stand replacing wildfire. So you can see that really would be occurring along a pretty significant flank, as well as flanks that are out of view that take you back to that 13,000 foot Fairview Peak I mentioned earlier. In the distance, you're actually looking up toward the water divide and heading over toward the Taylor Reservoir itself. You can see that that beautiful sort of spine of peaks above tree line in the distance. That's the Sawatch Range. So that's really the dividing line between kind of the front range geology in this Taylor Park region, again being dominated mostly by Precambrian crystalline rocks. And then as we move from east to west, you head back over to the East River and that mixture of younger sedimentary rocks, dominated by Mancos Shale, of course. Anyway, really interesting place to consider doing some research going forward.